So this is a trick to use all CapCut Pro features and it is 100% safe and legal. So for this, first of all, you will need a little bit older version of CapCut. For getting a little bit older version of CapCut, you can use the up to down website. Here you will find all the older version of CapCut, but I will recommend using this one 4.8.0 because I have already tested in this version. You can try other versions too. And if CapCut is banned in your country, you can use a VPN. I recommend using Urban VPN. It is 100% free and you can select any country. If you want to get a detailed tutorial on how to download CapCut in your PC, I already made a tutorial. You can go and watch it on my channel. I will give the link on the I button. So when you successfully install the older version of CapCut in your PC, then first of all open it. After opening CapCut, open a new project. So now CapCut will tell you to update the CapCut, but make sure to do not update the CapCut, and this trick may not work on the latest version of CapCut. So for using this trick, first of all you will need your edit. So go and complete your edit and come back later. So here you can see I applied some effects. This is not a proper edit, but I am using it to explain the trick. You can use it on any pro effect and any edit you want. So when you will successfully completed your edit, what you have to do is make a compound clip of your whole edit. After making a compound clip of your whole edit, go to the video option in the basic tab and there you will find motion blur. Click on the motion blur, apply only 1%. After applying 1% motion blur, you can see here it is processing. When your edit will get processed, you have to type CapCut in your start menu. Here you will find open file location. Click on it, right click on the CapCut shortcut and click open file location again. Here in the top menu, you will find CapCut. Click on it, then click on user data. Then find cache folder. Here you will find a folder named motion blur cache. Click on it and here you will find your edit. You can re-import the clip and export wherever you want. Delete the old compound clip and you will see we have successfully exported the whole edit. And now you can export it wherever you want.